Criminal law is an institution of rules and regulations so as comparing prisons, but the prisons function themselves as a legal infrastructure. Rural PHCS are the part of social infrastructure. Rural PHCS stands for Primary Health Center, but the rules of those clinics, such as known as institutions. Public irrigation works on water network are the part of physical infrastructure, but the water and the water-based stories such as water wasted in the waste, so the institution has declared that in future the water will also consist for fees and for money also. Now, what is the difference between organization and institution? Institution refers to an organization which like certain cherish and nurture in the society. Institution also help organization in many ways for as social advantages and ideas for society. As we know, as compared to organization, institution get more respect and gratitude in society. Now, let us talk about some famous institutions like that one is IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. As we know, there are many colleges which are famous in our India. Like that one is IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Bangalore, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Delhi. Now, what is an IIT course? Indian Institute of Technology (IIT) stands for various programs at undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctorate level, stream for science, engineering, and technology. 23 IITs over 250 bachelors of technology. Thank you. Now, I would like to call Jansi to speak.
Thank you, Riya. So, my topic is Ahmedabad University. So, Gujarat Commercial Hub Ahmedabad also taking pride in being a center for textile manufacturing and tourist citizen Lake are just a few of attracts in Ahmedabad. So, why we study in Ahmedabad? Because Ahmedabad is the top choice for students looking to get further education institution for undergraduate courses and postgraduate courses. The city has good mix of public and private institutions that offer a wide range of courses such as medicine, engineering, law and media studies. Ahmedabad University is famous because Ahmedabad dining learning environment is based on cross-discipline with linkage between art, science and professional discipline. This solves socially challenging problem. Thank you. Now I would like to call Chava and admitting for further speech.
The full form of IIT Delhi is Indian Institute of Information Technology. There are many places such as IIT Hyderabad, Allahabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. Let us talk about IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi is also known as International Institute of Information Technology. Established in 2008, autonomous university under the government. The focuses are postgraduate, undergraduate programs on computer science, data science, electronics. Teachers focus on AI, computer science, cyber security. Located in New Delhi, spread over 23 acres, for master for the girls and the boys. Achievements are ranked among top 10 engineering college, India and 9 RF 2020. Strong innovator. I made this for a use of thermocol, cardboard, garage, etc. Now I am going to RBC for the speech.
Thank you, Ranjit. So, this is the model of IIM, Indian Institute of Management. So, after independence, India made managers to manage public sector. And thus, the government thought about establishing business laws. The industries had business department, but no discrimination. To fulfill the requirements, the government got in touch with Harvard Business School and MIT and established IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Kolkata. Thank you. Now I would like to call the man for further speech.
Thank you, Anishi. This is my chart. Now I am going to speak about IIT. The Indian Institution of Technology (IIT) are a network of engineering and technology institution of India, which established in 1950. They are under the ownership of Ministry of Education of Government and are governed by the Institute of Technology, which Act in 1961. They declares them as importance and lays down their power for governance as countries permit institution in the field of technology. Thank you. Now I would like to call Krisha.
Thank you, Hema. Now I would like to explain my part. The Indian Institution of Management are scientific foundations for humanity, obtained undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral level. Along with the medical goals in the field of administration, the establishment of IIT was inspired by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, based on the Constitution of Planning Commission of India. Now I would like to call the IIT for further speakers.
So now I'm going to tell you some benefits and some of IIT. First, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, receives 1,700 crore rupees from Indian government every year. Second, IIT Kharagpur is 3 times bigger than Vatican City and Monaco County. Third, IIT Roorkee has highest internet speed, 52 MB per second.